Hi everyone, with me today I have this carpet and upholstery cleaner I found on Amazon. It has so many different fun features that are going to help you clean tough dirt, pet spots, residual odors from carpets, stairs, upholstery, even your car interiors. I really love that it has the dirty water tank right here and the clean water tank. Now the dirty water tank holds 27 ounces and the clean water 51 ounces, and they are super easy to detach. As you can see here, there's a little handle and all you gotta do is pull it upward, and there's writing on it to let you know which one's the dirty tank and which one's the clean tank. Now it does include some different little attachments like this one. This one's great for cleaning carpets, and even this one, which is a little toothbrush with its bristles to help you clean some very small spaces. The noise it makes is very minimal, and I really like it because it's friendly with my pets whenever I'm cleaning. It works for around 25 to 30 minutes at a time, and then once the water tank for the dirty side fills up, it will automatically shut down and wait for you to replace it with more clean water and remove the dirty water. I absolutely recommending this for pet stains. It even comes with a spot and stain cleaner as well. It's definitely a must-have device for anyone with kids, pets, or who is just messy like me, and you're bound to make a little mess, and cleaning it up could not be easier. Check this out. You'll absolutely love it. You can get one of these on Amazon.